So finally, what was being feared since last 1 week has actually happened, and Iran has attacked Israel. Right now, when I'm talking to you, 2 hours before this recording, Iran has launched a series of ballistic missiles over Israeli airspace. And as per the video evidence that is available all over the internet, all over mainstream media, videos are clearly showing that some of those hundreds of ballistic missiles that has been fired over Israel have actually landed on Israeli land. They have actually caused damage and destruction. Now the actual magnitude of damage and destruction caused by those missiles will be analyzed and will be released later. Right now, you cannot say anything about that. But one thing is pretty sure, that after this attack, the entire geopolitics as well as the entire phase of the struggle or phase of this particular conflict that was going on since last 1 year in Middle East has changed. Before this attack, prior to this attack, as Iran and Israel were not in direct conflict or confrontation with each other, so there was a little bit of hope that maybe there can be a ceasefire, maybe peace could be restored. But after this direct attack by Iran over Israel, in which just by the visuals we can say that apparently damage has happened and good amount of damage has happened. Now I don't think so that there is any chance left out of going back to the table, negotiation table, going back to peace talks. Things are just going to get pretty nasty. Things are going to get just pretty bad from here, because it is for sure that Israel is going to attack, or Israel is going to retaliate back over Iran, and then let's see how that retaliation goes by, and then what is going to be the next step of Iran in answer to that particular counter attack that is going to be done by Israel in upcoming days. Along with that, as we all know, that United States of America stands firm with Israel, and they have already sent a lot of military equipment along with their aircraft carrier in the Arabian Gulf. So there is a high chance that United States plus Israel can combinedly do counter attack over Iran, and maybe the targets are going to be the nuclear facilities, or maybe the supreme leadership. I don't know what's going to be the outcome of this entire conflict, but one thing is pretty sure: the geopolitics of Middle East is going to change. Either the political structure of Iran will change, the mullah regime will collapse. There is a high chance that their entire nuclear program is going to be destroyed, or maybe Israel is going to get the hammering that they are not anticipating, and it may lose its title as sole superpower in the entire Middle East region, and may lose the protection or the shield that they are having right now to do whatever they want with impunity. So a lot of things are going to happen in future. A lot of things are going to unfold, and interesting as well as scary days are ahead. So let's pray that things may not just go out of control, things may just not go out of hand, but things, frankly speaking, don't look pretty good from here.